Hello guys, this is Aditya Singh here, and today I am going to talk about the self-confidence. That how we can develop the self-confidence. And from before I start, I want to tell you that what is self-confidence is. Self-confidence is a state of mind in which you can put your thoughts, your voice, your views, and your thoughts in front of others in a confident way. Actually, what happens many times we think that we don't have a self confidence and we strive for to inbuilt a self confidence in us, but we fail to do it. And it is a very major issue in many people that they don't have the self confidence. So, how we can develop actually self confidence? I want always use this example like you know the table of the two. Okay, like 2 into 1 equal to 2, 2 into 2 into 4. You have the full confidence that 2 into 1 equal to 2 only, not 4 or not 5. You know? It means that you are confident. So number 1, the confidence comes from the knowledge. And many people argue that many people also don't have the knowledge. So how why they are confident? They are fake confident. They are not actually confident. Okay, so actually that also know that when you don't know anything, so but confidence is a state of mind. Actually it's not about properly about any knowledge, but when you possess any skill and you will have some kind of internal power, है ना, then you are confident. Like you internally know yourself, who you are actually, and you especially you know about yourself, like this is my state. And when you completely accept yourself na, then you become completely confident. Like actually we are more curious about how we looks, my face is good or not, my voice is good or not, like what will happen that if we go in a future, like if we go in front of public, what they think about me and all. So actually it doesn't matter, nobody is thinking about you, nobody is much caring about except your parents, na, or your family members. The main thing here is how you treat yourself, and how you think about yourself, that matters the most at the end. So we don't have to please others, है. The thing you have to keep in your mind that you should have a proud in yourself. So make a proud on yourself, and don't think about others, don't give much importance to other people, and what the other things, and what they will think about me, and all these things. They are totally baseless things that we are actually doing. No. And if any skill you want to improve, like confidence comes from the skill actually. Like you have a good command over your communication skills, then you are confident. है. That whenever you are said to that to speak on any topic or give a speech, and you are not afraid, you are confident because you have practiced enough that you can speak English, or speak in any party or any function. So that actually the confidence now. And also the second thing is confidence also comes with exercise. If you daily performing regularly doing the exercise, then also you will be confident because you actually do exercising, the good hormones also releases like dopamine, serotonin, oxytocin while perform doing the exercise. So that will also help you to boost your confidence. And don't do that kind of activity that have the chances of decreasing your confidence, like getting into some kind of addiction that actually decreases your confidence. Actually addiction can be of any type. In young people there have addiction about the masturbation, watching the porn videos and all. So it should be avoided completely. And main thing is, the second thing you can do is meditation. Meditation is also very good kind of activity. It actually helps to make your mind calm and composed, and fosters the mental clarity in yourself. So this is also a very good activity. And so these are the few things which helps you to build the confidence. And second thing, try to obtain the excellence in any particular role. And when you find yourself excellent in a particular, then automatically the confidence will develop in yourself. For example, like if you are in a college, and if I talk about the engineering students, about the, like say, computer science, like there are few people in your group or in your class, and they are doing programming. Like if you somehow able to become a good programmer, है in your class, you have done the hard work, you have given the time to the programming, and you have become better than the others. Automatically you will see you become the confident. But actually it's not only a thing that you should have a knowledge and you are confident. There are many important things of the confidence. Like earlier I have said, accepting yourself is the main thing, है ना? When you accept yourself properly, then you are confident. Otherwise it will be really difficult for you. It is a only superficial confidence that many people show. Actually they are not confident, they are just faking out. From internally they are surrounded with lot of fears and all. Confidence not about you shout in a class and all. This is not. This is just a fake confidence, you can say. Confidence from internal. Like you are confident, you doesn't care about any other thing. You just focus on yourself, and you are confident in yourself. Actually, that is the main point. That you should have a keep and faith on yourself, and that will be better for you for throughout your life. So actually this is the thing which I want to tell you about the self confidence. And here is the main thing actually. So I summarize what I have said. Confidence comes from knowledge, confidence comes from the mental clarity, confidence comes when you accept yourself, you know self who you are, and your shortcomings and where you have to improve, है ना? So here are 3 steps by which you can help to develop your confidence. And also there are some few activities which you perform daily. Like if you set any particular target and you achieve it, then you will become confident. Day by day you will see that you are becoming more confident than your previous version of yourself. Like you have set a target that I will complete this task till this date or this time, and when you will complete it, your inner self will say, okay, this person has done the what he had said, he had done that thing. So that's also, you become confident as time, no? So here is the thing. And actually here is the thing actually, so this is all about the self confidence actually. Next thing I talk about, the next thing, communication skills takes practice. It is not just a game of one day. Actually it takes a lot of practice. The first thing in communication skills is clarity of thought. When thoughts are clear, you are able to deliver your inner views to any other person easily, and other person can also understand easily when you are clear about your thought. The main thing in communication skills is mental clarity, है ना? How you able to explain to others and all these things. And only you can clearly explain to others if you are confident. Like if you are have a mental clarity, then only you can explain to others in a clear manner. Otherwise it will be very difficult for you to explain others, and you have to convince others. Actually communication skill can be only improved by communication. How that driving a car can only be learned by actually driving a car in a real world. So that's how communication skill works. Actually communication skill can be only improved when you actually speak. You can speak in front of your camera, especially if you find any person to speak, then try to speak with them, and it will really help you out to improve your communication skills. And this is the thing actually, है ना? The main thing is here is you have to give a time to it. It is not a game of single day or what. At least if you are starting, give it 6 months, 6 months to 1 year. It will surely take, and practice continuously. Like other thing, you can include reading, second listening, and third is speaking. These three activities are most important to improve your communication, because reading will help you actually helping improving your vocabulary, and also how to use a particular sentence, and listening to how to pronounce a particular word and what should be the style of speaking. So these are the few activities which you will perform, that will with that passage of time you will see that your communication skill has improved. But other than these two activities, you have to also start speaking. If you are getting no one, speak with yourself. Take out your camera or get in the front of the mirror and start speaking, है ना? Don't try to speak too fast, and because speaking too fast will you will mumble in the middle, and there will not be a clarity of thought in your actually in the mind. So actually what you can do is that speak in a normal pace. What's the issue? No, don't speak too fast, don't speak too slow, just speak normal. You can take a good number of pauses also. Like if you take the pauses, other person will also have some time to comprehend your thoughts, what I have said just. So these are the few tips about the communication skills and all. We have to improve it, then I will improve more. I have to improve a lot, you know. After the exam will finish, I will start working upon my communication skills and all. And the here is the thing, I will practice a lot. I will again start recording a video and all, है ना? Actually what happened na, in the recent times I have stopped making these videos. So I am thinking that I should resume. It's a very good habit. At least I should practice about 10 minutes, 10 to 15 minutes of practice, and it will be a very good activity for me to actually improve my communication skills. We can talk it here, like today I am making the video, so we can daily make it, no problem. We can talk with each other, है ना? So it's a very good activity, and I think that we should continue it. So actually I will only continue in alternate days, है ना? Actually what I have decided that I will doing running in the alternate days. Like one day I will do running and all, and the second day in the evening I will do like dumbbell exercise and all. So I am thinking, because break is necessary. Actually breaks increases your performance. Definitely it increases your performance. And in a week if you able to run 3 days, it's not a issue, no problem, you can do it. Okay, so all it hai. Now I have to meditate, and Jai Hind. Till then we will meet in the next video. Till then, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.